Hi students, let us go with our new topic differentiation. In differentiation, you must learn formulas. Every problem depending on one formula, one or two formulas. Definitely you know the information of formulas. Formulas are very important here. Okay, let us go with our problem. The problem is find dy by dx of two problems. X equals to 380 by 1 plus t cube, y equals 380 square by 1 plus t cube. Now here one function is in x and t and another function is in y and t. Okay, a is constant. Okay, but actually we have to find dy by dx. Okay, then how to find dy by dx by given two function? Let's see. Now it is also same like the second one. Okay, let us go with our solution. Let given x equals to 380 by 1 plus t cube, then y equals to 380 square by 1 plus t cube. Okay, now first of all differentiation with respect to t of two functions. Okay, let first one dx by dt equals to here d by dt of 380 by 1 plus t cube. It is like d by dx of u by v method. Let what are those? U v method. First of all, d by dx of differentiation of uv equals to u differentiation of v dash, then v differentiation of u. Okay, v differentiation of u, and also differentiation with respect to x. Now here v dash, here u dash is nothing but du by dx. Okay, v dash is nothing but dv by dx. Okay, d by dx of u by v. Let v u dash minus u v dash by v u dash minus u v dash by v square. Okay, now here u dash is nothing but du by dx, v dash is nothing but dv by dx. These are the main things of this problem. Okay, uv and u by v method. Okay, formulas are as usual. Let u by v 1 plus t cube denominator as it is. Okay, differentiation of numerator minus, okay, reverse 380 as it is, numerator is as it is, differentiation of denominator, okay, by denominator square v square. Apply this formula. Okay, let 1 plus t cube 380 differentiation is a 3a is a constant, now it is a 1, so it is a 3a minus 380 as it is, 1 plus t cube, 1 is a 0, t cube is nothing but 3t square. Okay, let simplification 1 plus t cube whole square here, 3a into 1 3a plus 3a t cube minus 3 into 3 9a t cube by 1 plus t cube whole square, then that equals to, now here 3a, now here 3a t cube minus 9a t cube is nothing but 6a t cube, okay, by 1 plus t cube whole square. Leave that. Then we need dy by dt. dy by dt equals same like this, differentiation of given function with respect to t. Okay, 3at, here 3at square, square is difference. Okay, then same plus t cube denominator, differentiation of numerator, okay, minus numerator is as it is, differentiation of denominator, one plus denominator whole square. Okay, let 1 plus t cube. Okay, differentiation of 3at square is nothing but 6a. T square is a 2t, 2t into 3a, 6at minus 3at square as it is. D by dt of 1 plus t cube is nothing but 3t square. 1 is a 0. Okay, by 1 plus t cube whole square. Okay, now 6at into 1 plus t cube, 6at plus 6at power 4, yes or no, minus here 9at power 4 by 1 plus t cube whole square. Okay, then 6at as it is plus 6at power 4 and minus 9at. So minus 3at power 4, yes or no? 1 plus t cube whole square. Okay, now it is the dx by dt. Now this is the dy by dt, but actually we need dy by dx, yes or no? Let us go with dy by dx. dy by dx is nothing but we have dx by dt, dy by dt. Then what about dy by dx? Now first one dy by dy, yes or no? Shall I write like this? Dy by dt by dx by dt. Definitely dt cancels, then remaining is the dy by dx. Okay, then you can substitute dy by dt equals to 6at minus 3at power 4 by 1 plus t cube whole square. Okay, by what? Write once again, 1 plus t cube whole square. Okay, by 3a minus 6a t cube by 1 plus t cube whole square. Okay, denominator cancel. Okay, now remaining 6at minus 3at power 4. Here 3a minus 6at cube, 3a minus 6at cube here. Okay, anyone cancel? Observe. Now from both common thing is a 3at, yes or no? Okay, now here minus 6at 3at 2 minus here 3at common t. Okay, now here t cube. Okay, 3a common, then 1 minus what? 6at cube, 3a common, here 2 t cube only. Okay, 3a get cancelled. Okay, remaining is a 2 into 2 minus t cube, 1 minus 2 t cube. Okay, observing is anyone cancel like that. Okay, this is a dy by dx for first one. Okay, now this is the answer for first one. Now second one, second problem, same like previous. Here given then dx by dt equals to what? Now here we can apply first formula uv here. Okay, then d by dt of a cos t plus t sin t, yes or no? Okay, now apply formula differentiation with respect to t. Now a is as it is, cos t is a minus sin t, yes or no? Differentiation of cos is a minus sin, plus here applying uv method, uv. Now first of all u as it is, differentiation of sin is the cos t. Okay, plus now v as it is, sin t as it is, differentiation of first one u is a 1. Okay, then sin t get cancelled. Now here a into t sin cos t. Okay, then over, then dy by dx, dy by dt, sorry. Okay, d by dt of a sin t minus t cos t. Okay, same like this. A, leave that. Sin t differentiation is a cos t minus here also applying uv method. Okay, u as it is. Now cos t differentiation is a minus sin t minus sin t. Okay, now here also getting minus, definitely here minus. So cos t is as it is, t differentiation is a 1. Okay, cos t get cancelled like previous. Then a t sin t. Okay, now dy by dx equals what? Same like previous, dy by dt by dx by dt. Okay, yes or no? Dy by dt is nothing but at sin t. Okay, by dx by dt is second one. First one cos t. Okay, at get cancelled. Then dy by dx of second one is a tan. Okay, these are the solution. You must learn formulas. Formulas are very important for every problem in differentiation. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.